Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel. So right now we're not going to be creating this YouTube channel via the YouTube app. No, we are going to be creating this YouTube channel via the browser. So we are using Crypto tab for today. Look at Crypto tab up here. We are using Crypto tab for this class. So you can use Chrome, you can use Opera browser, you can use any browser you want. So let's click on the browser and let's dive into it immediately. So right now here we are. So we just click on the top search button here and we type YouTube. You just type youtube.com. So youtube.com. So once it opens up, see it have opened up. This is YouTube. So right now we are trying to create a new YouTube account. I'm not using my existing one. I want to create a new YouTube account. So we'll be clicking on this image up here. So click on it. So once it opens up, you click on switch account. Then you add new account. So we're adding new account because we want to create a new one, not the existing one. We want to create a new one. So click here, then you sign in your email. So I know my email already. My email is princemedia at gmail.com. So princemedia at gmail.com. So we search, then we'll paste our password. So if you want to paste your password, you click next. So here we are. Just make sure you sign up. Once you sign up, you are good to go. So that is it. So I think we have signed up already. So let's see. You see, we have signed up already. So thus we have signed up already. Look at it up here. We have signed up. You see it's P, which means Prince. So we have signed up already. So right now, before we do any other thing, we have to change this to desktop site. So click on this place and change it to desktop site. So click on it and click on here. You see desktop site. So click on that mark. You see we have changed it to desktop site. Look at it right now. Everything we are doing here right now will look as if we are on a laptop. So you see it, your Chrome have made it easier, or let me say the browser medias or companies have made it easier that you can access a lot of things on your smartphone. You can even change your smartphone to a laptop even without having a laptop. So right now we are having this. This is how the YouTube home page looks like in the laptop. So right now we'll just come up here and click on this place. So click on it. So click on it right now. It will open up. Then you click on create channel, because you see we don't have a channel already. So look at it. They say we should create a channel. We don't have a channel already. So we'll just click on create channel. So right now we're creating channel. So once you click on it, it asks you to write your channel name. So I'll be creating a channel. Okay, we're creating a channel. Let me say best channel on mobile. Just best channel. Don't worry, you can, even though if you don't have a name right now, you can just write this and at the end you can still change it. It's changeable. So when you're done, you click on this place that says create channel. Just click on create channel. So click on it. So once you click on it, it will open up once it's done. So it's creating our channel right now. Our channel is being created right now. So let's wait for it to create up. So once it creates up, it will tell us that congratulations or that we are done with it, and that is it. So right now let's wait for it to. So that is it. So this is how to create your YouTube channel. So right now we have created our YouTube channel. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to customize and optimize your YouTube channel. Thank you.